there are motorcycles, and then there are legends that refuse to die, machines that disappear, only to return stronger, louder, bolder, as if destiny itself refuses to let them fade. And in 2026, one of those legends made a comeback nobody expected. The 2026 Suzuki Intruder, a bike that vanished quietly, leaving behind unanswered questions and a silent promise. One day, I will return. And today, that promise has been fulfilled. Rumors started long before the official reveal. Strange whispers inside Suzuki headquarters. Leaked sketches that were deleted within minutes. A mysterious test bike spotted under a tarp being transported late at night. A deep, new exhaust sound heard near Suzuki's secret proving ground. A sound rider swore did not belong to any existing model. And then, an insider leak that shook the community. Suzuki is reviving the Intruder, and it's nothing like the old one. That was the moment the story changed. That was the moment the motorcycle world started paying attention again. Welcome back to CarQuest Pro, the place where machines aren't just reviewed, they're brought to life through storytelling. Today, I'm not just going to tell you about the 2026 Intruder. I'm going to take you through the journey of its rebirth, the engineering decisions behind it, the passion poured into it, and the message Suzuki sent to the entire industry. By the time we reach the end of this video, you won't just know the Intruder. You'll feel why Suzuki brought it back. For years, Suzuki stayed silent. No updates, no announcements, no hints that the Intruder would ever return. People moved on, new models took over the streets, and the cruiser segment shifted toward modern, aggressive styling. But inside Suzuki, something else was happening. Designers were gathering data. Engineers were studying rider behavior. The company noticed something important. The world was falling in love with mid-weight cruisers again. Not old-school chrome-heavy dinosaurs, but modern, muscular machines with personality and punch. That's when Suzuki knew the Intruder wasn't dead. It was only waiting for the right moment. And when they finally decided to bring it back, they didn't hold back. The design team was given a mission: don't update the Intruder, reinvent it. The result is a bike that looks like the past and future collided, and the future won. The 2026 Intruder has a stance that demands attention even before the engine starts. One look at it, and you know this isn't a simple upgrade. It's a complete transformation. The tank is wider, sculpted, and aggressive, with deep lines that catch light in a way that makes the bike look alive. The front fascia is redesigned with a piercing LED signature that cuts through darkness like a blade. The handlebars sit perfectly balanced, not too high, not too low, giving riders that proud cruiser posture. And the paint scheme? Suzuki ditched shiny chrome for matte metallic finishes that give the Intruder a stealthy, modern identity. Blacked out elements, smoked indicators, bronze accents. Everything feels intentional, premium, and powerful. But as breathtaking as the design is, the real story begins when you lift the visor of the engine. Suzuki knew they couldn't revive the Intruder with an old heart. They needed a new power plant, something smooth, strong, and modern. Inside the frame sits the new 249 cubic centimeters SHC fuel-injected engine, purpose-built for a torque-rich performance. And this engine doesn't scream. It growls. It produces around 26 horsepower and nearly 23 newton-meters of torque, tuned specifically for mid-range power, the zone where cruisers truly rule. Whether you're cruising at 60, overtaking at 80, or pushing it toward its 135 to 140 kilometers per hour top speed, the engine feels composed, confident, and full of character. But numbers don't define the Intruder. Feeling does. Suzuki engineers tuned the throttle response to feel natural, extremely smooth at low speeds and confidently sharp when you need power. The exhaust note has depth, a deep, satisfying thump that hints at the muscle beneath the tank. The vibrations are controlled, thanks to a newly designed frame with better rigidity and improved weight distribution. Even the gear ratios were reworked to offer smoother acceleration and a more enjoyable city and highway experience. Suspension was another major upgrade. The front forks feel more planted, absorbing bumps without compromising stability. The rear monoshock has been retuned for comfort, ensuring longer rides feel relaxed rather than tiring. The wider tires, noticeably chunkier than older models, Give the Intruder a road presence that feels safer, sturdier, and more confidence-inspiring. Then we get to technology. Suzuki didn't hold back here either. The 2026 Intruder features a new digital cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. Call alerts, message notifications, navigation prompts, it's all there, but designed in a clean, cruiser-friendly format. The LED headlamp has been upgraded with a wide projection beam, giving riders visibility that feels genuinely premium. Tail lamps are sharp and modern, completing the futuristic look of the bike. For safety, Suzuki finally added dual-channel ABS. This alone takes the Intruder to a new level. Braking is smoother, more stable, and far safer during sudden stops or wet conditions. The braking feel is progressive, not too sharp, not too soft. Exactly what a cruiser rider wants. Comfort is perhaps